students. Hello students. Okay, today we will discuss about the ascending order and descending order for 6th class students. Okay, what is meant by ascending order? In previous class we discussed about the concept of ascending order and descending order. Ascending order short form we can write AO. Ascending order. Ascending order means we arrange the numbers small to big. Arrange the numbers small to big. Then that is called the ascending order. Whenever if you arrange the given numbers, whenever a numbers are given to you, some numbers are given to you, if you arrange small to big, then that order is called ascending order. Okay, here we will. What is the question here? Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in ascending order. Okay, here second Roman. This is the second Roman in page number 2. First Roman. Second Roman. First one. 375. 1475, 15,951, 4,730. Okay, these four numbers I want to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to remember, we arrange the given numbers from small number to big number. Small number to big number. Ascending order also we can call increasing order. Ascending order also we can call increasing order. What we can call it? Increasing order. Okay, what are the given numbers here? Given solution I will do here. Given. What are the given numbers? 375, 1475, 15,951, 4,730. Okay, these numbers, before going to compare, what we have to do first? Before going to compare the numbers, first count the number of digits in each number. How many digits are there? Number of digits. Number of digits we have to count. Number of digits. Okay, in this number, how many digits are there? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. How many digits are there? 3 digits. In this number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. How many digits are there? 4. Okay, in this number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Okay, whenever numbers are separated with comma means those are individual numbers. Those are different numbers. Those are different numbers. Okay, in this number, how many digits are there? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. 4 digits. Okay, now, which number having the least number of digits, that is the smaller number. Okay. Already we discussed that one. Okay, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits. That means which number having the small number, less number of digits, this number having the only 3 digits. So this is the very small number. Small number. Okay, this is the small number. Okay, this is the small number. 1. Okay, next, which number having the less digits? 4, 5, 4. 4 numbers are less digits. Here, how many numbers are there? 48 numbers, 2 numbers are there. 1, 2. In these two, which is the smallest? We want to identify here. Okay, first, here 4 digits, here 4 digits we have. Now, whenever digits are same, number of digits are equal, then compare the number on left side of digits. Left side of digits onwards, we have to compare. What is the first digit here? 1. What is the first digit here? 1. That means these digits are different or same? Different. Different means we can decide this is the small, this is the bigger. In 1 and 4, which is the bigger? Which is the smaller? This is the 1 is the smaller. So this is the smaller compared to this number. So we can write this is second number. Second number. This is the immediately we can write third number because only 4 number digits are there. 4 digit numbers are 2 numbers only there. In those 2 numbers, one is the smallest of we decided. Remaining one, third place we can do. Okay, how many numbers remaining there? 4, 1 number only. So that is the bigger. That is the bigger. Okay, now we can write the ascending order. Ascending order equal to. Ascending order equal to first place it is. So we can write 375. Second place it is 1475. Third place this is 4713. Fourth place it is 5 1 5 9 5 1. Like this only we will arrange the numbers. Okay, similarly we can do another one also. Okay, in that what is the question given? We have to observe. Second one. In second one only, second question. Okay, this is the second question. Okay, for this also I want to find out the ascending order. Okay, before going to find the ascending order, what is given here? Given what are the given numbers here? 9347, 9347. Now we have to count the number of digits. Okay, this is the given number of digits. We want to find this. Okay, how many numbers are there? First, we want to identify here. Okay, this is one number, this is another number, this is another number, this is another number. Okay, now we have to count number of digits in first number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 4 digits number. Okay, in here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. 5 digits. Okay, in here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we have 5 digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, whenever without counting digits also, we can do the solution. But if you identify the digits, it is very easy to pick the small one, big one. That's why I count the digits of each number. Okay, now we can decide which is the smallest. By saying we can say 4 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits. Okay, which is the smaller? 4 digit number is smaller because less number of digits are there. So this is the first place. Now next, these three numbers having the equal number of digits. Equal number of digits means now we can compare from the left side onwards. We can compare of each number. What is the first digit? 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Both different number, different or same? Different. 1, 2, 1. 1 is smaller. Okay, compared to next how one numbers. 1 digit is 1. How many numbers having? 2 numbers having. This number having digit 1. This number having digit 1. Go for the next digit. What the next digit is here? 9. Here 2. That means 1, 2. 1 is the smaller one. So these two are smaller compared to this one. Okay, but I want to decide in these two also which is the smaller. Then we have to go for the next digit. Second digit is 9 here. Second digit is 2 here. 2, 9. Which is the smaller? 2 is smaller. Then it will be second place. This will be second place. Now, then what will be third place? This will be third place because this is already we told compared to this number, this is bigger. So no need to consider this one now. So later we can consider. Okay, now this is the third place. Then what is the remaining? One number only. So that is the fourth. Now we can write ascending order equal to first place 9, 3, 4, 7. Second place, third place. Okay, this identification is same for the descending order also, but by writing the ascending order means small to big. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to write. Okay, already I told in a previous class also. Arrange the numbers in a small to big. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then this is the ascending order. We will discuss the descending order. Ascending order also we can call increasing order. Ascending order also we can call increasing order. In page number 2 only. In page number 2, In page number 2, descending order. Third Roman, first one. Okay, these are the 5 numbers given there. These 5 numbers we have to decide which is ascending order, which is the descending order. Write the numbers. Third one we are discussing now. Write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means what is descending order? Short form we can write DO. Descending order. Descending order means arrange the numbers from big to small. Arrange the numbers from big to small. What is ascending order? Means small to big. We discuss. Descending order means what is the meaning of descending order means arrange the numbers from big number to small number. Big number to small number. If you arrange that order is called the descending order. That order is called the descending order. Now we will arrange the numbers. Descending order. Descending order also we can call decreasing order. Descending order also we can call decreasing order. Decreasing order. Now what is the given there? Now we will do the solution. Given 1876. Okay, these are the numbers given there. Number of digits count. Every time you have to count number of digits. Generally it will be easy. Without doing number of digits also, we can write the solution. But it is very easy to do by writing the number of digits. Okay, how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are given. In those 4 numbers, each number having how many digits? First identify. Each number having how many digits? First identify. Okay, this number having how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of digits we have. Okay, this number having how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits this number having. Okay, this number having how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also having 5 digits. Okay, how many digits will be having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits we have. Okay, so totally 4 numbers are given there. Each number having first number 4 digits. Remaining numbers are having the 5 digits. Okay, can you decide which is the smaller in these? 4 digit number is smaller compared to remaining numbers. So this is the first place. This is the first place. Okay, if you go for the remaining 3 numbers, those having the 5 digits. Whenever 5 digits are there, means we have compared from left side of the each number. Now compare 8. What is the first digit? 8, 4, 8. 8, 4, 5. 8, 4, 8. 8, 4. Which is the smaller? 4 is the smaller. So this is only how many numbers are there? 14 occurring numbers. Only one number is there. So this is the second place. This is the second place. Now we can compare these 2 numbers. These 2 numbers having the first digit 8 and first digit 8. Same digit. Whenever we having the same digits, go for the next digit. What is the second digit here? 8 and 9, 9. 9, 9 is same or different? 9, 9 same only. Whenever same digits are appear to you, go for the next digit. What is the next digit here? 7. What is the third digit? One thing remember, while comparing the digits, which place digit we are comparing? First place, second place. Such place only how to consider for comparison. Okay, we are taking the 7, third place digit. So we have to take third place digit from the left side. Okay, 7, 2. In 7, 2, which is the smaller can be decided? Yes, because those are the different numbers. Okay, 7, 2, which is the smaller? 2 is the smaller. So this is the third place. Okay, this is the fourth place because only one number. But we have to write the final solution. While writing the final solution, you are writing ascending order or descending order. First, you have to remember. Okay, now descending order. I am writing descending order. Descending order means what is the arrangement? Big to small. Big to small. Big to small means here we have places 1, 2, 3, 4 places. We arrange it. That means first we have fourth place, later third place, later second place, later first place you have to write. Okay, fourth place first you have to write. Third place, second place, first place. Now we have to write fourth place, which is the number. We arrange the numbers in descending order. That's why I write them here 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fourth place 8, 9, 7, 1, 5, comma. Every time you have to place comma. It will represent the separation of the numbers. Okay, next second third place. Third place is 8, 9, 2, 5, 4. Next second place 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Next first place 1, 8, 7, 6. 1, 8, 7, 6. Like this only we will complete the next one also. Now we will go for the second one. In this one only second one. I think all of you understood. Now one more sum in third one. That one we will discuss. We will complete that one. 3,000, 8,700. Okay, directly we will complete this one. I will not write total solution here. Short form we will complete this one. Okay, what are the given numbers? These four numbers. In these four numbers, we have to identify the number of digits. Number of digits we have to identify. Number of digits. Number of digits. How many digits are there? Don't take the 0 is there. You don't need to count that one. 0 is given to you. That is also one of the math symbol only. That one also we have to count. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. 4. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. Okay, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And counting 0 also. That one you have to remember. Whenever 0 is given to you, that one also you have to count. In a number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to identify the order. Order of the digit. Order of the number. In here 4, 4, 4, 5. Which is the smaller? 4 number digit is smaller. How many 4 digit numbers are here? 3 numbers are there. Then we can compare from left side onwards. Left side onwards we can compare. Left side onwards. Okay, what is the first digit here? 3, 8, 3. 3, 8. Which is the smaller? 3 is the smaller. 3 having 2 numbers. 3 having as a digit place 2 numbers. Okay, go for the next digit. 3, 8, 3. 3 is the smaller. Go for the next digit. 3, 3 same. Go for the next digit. What is the 0, 0, 9. 0, 9. Okay, 0, 9. Which is the smaller? 0 is the smaller. That is the first place. Okay. Next second place is this. Because only 2 numbers. In these 2 numbers, one number is first place means automatically second number is second place. Another number. Now next we go for the third second number and this last number. How many digits are here? 4, 5. 4, 5 is which is the smaller? Fourth digit number is smaller. That means 3. This is the fourth place. Now we can write the descending order. Descending order equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what is the fourth place number? 8, 7, 5, 0, 0. What is the third place number? 8, 7, 0, 0. What is the second place number? 3, 9, 0, 0. What is the first place number? 3000. Okay, like this we can write the ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arrange the numbers small number to big number, small number to big number, small number to big number. Descending order means big to small arrange, big to small. Okay, you have to arrange big to small, then it is ascending descending order. Now we will go for the fourth Roman. Before going to fourth Roman, by comparing if you compare any 2 numbers, by comparing we will compulsory should have 2 numbers. In those two numbers, we can decide which is the smaller, which is the greater. Okay, without writing the greater, bigger, we use the 2 symbols. Okay, what are those symbols? Okay, these 2 symbols we will use to decide the bigger one, smaller one. Okay, what is the name of this one? It is, if you observe here, it is open at the right side. Okay, in English alphabetical letters, we are we take less than. This name less than. Okay, if you take a L, L is also right side only open. L, if I write L, right side only open. This is also right side open. That means the symbol name is called less than. What is the name of this symbol? Less than. What is the name of this one? Less than. Okay, if you take this symbol, it is opened at a right side. So if you consider greater than spelling, small letter we have to take greater than. If you take this side is very narrow, left side is right side is narrow. Here right side is open. Here right side is narrow. Okay, if you take here right side is how it is narrow only, greater than. So you have to simply remember only. I am giving hint for this one. Okay, one symbol you have to remember. Automatically another one you can identify. Okay, less than L shape. L right side open, right side open one. Okay, remaining this is the greater than. This is the less than symbol. This is the greater than symbol. Whenever if you want to use this one thing remember, without identification of these two also we can place their symbols. Because how we can write? Every time open end this side we have open end. This is the open end, narrow end. This is the narrow end. Open end side having greater number. Always we have open greater number. That means if you example 97, 800. In these two, which is bigger? This is bigger. This is big. Big number side only we have to write the open end. For example, 800 this side I taken, 97 this side I taken. Which is bigger? This is bigger. That means open end towards the greater number. Open end always placed towards the greater number. We will place as the fourth number. What is it? We will discuss two sums only. Only four questions are given. Put appropriate symbol. Put appropriate symbol greater than or less than in the space. Okay, what is the question here? First question. 3854 blank 15,200. Second one 4895 4864. Third one. I think all of you members did not have textbooks, so that's why I am writing all the questions here. Fourth question. Okay, this is the questions. Are here 4 questions. We will discuss one by one. Okay, these two numbers between I want to get either less than or greater than symbol. Either less than or greater than. Less than or greater than symbol is not. Okay, now by placing these symbols, first counter is here also process is same. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. How many digits are here? 4. Here how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. In these two, which number is bigger? Immediately 4 digit or 5 digit? 5 digit number is bigger. So we can say this is bigger. Bigger means open towards a big number. Similarly, for this also we have to count. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. Here how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever equal number of digits are there, compare from the left side of the digits. What is the first digit here? 4, 4. Go on same. Whenever same means go for the next digit. What is the first digit? Second digit? Next 8 we have. Go for the next. What is the next digit? 9 6. 9 6. 9 6 which is greater? 9 is greater. When open it towards greater. Okay, big number towards we have the greater open ended of the symbol. Okay, open end the symbol is always projected towards the big numbers. Now we can go for the next digit. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, both having the equal number of digits. Both having the equal number of digits means we can compare the first digit, 9, 9, same. First digit, 9, 9, same. Next digit, 4, 4. Next digit, 5, 4. 5, 4, both are different or same? Up to now we are getting same digits, but here 5, 4, different digits. 4, 5, 4, both are different means we can decide which is the smaller, which is the bigger. 5 is the greater compared to 4. So this is the bigger. So this is greater symbol we can do. Now we can go for the last question. How many digits are here? In these two numbers, we have the equal number of digits. How I can say? Count them once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we have 5 digits. Okay, both having the 5 digits means compare from the left side of the digits. What is the first digit? First place. 1, 1. Go for the second page. 4, 4. Go for the next page. 5, 4. 5, 4. 5, 4. In the which is the smaller, which is bigger? This is the bigger compared to 4. So we can say this is the big number. So we can write either greater than symbol or less than symbol. Open it towards the big number. That one you have to remember. We have to write a greater than symbol. We have to write a greater than symbol. Okay, now we will end the comparison of the numbers. Okay.